Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing the different functions we can do in Excel. So let's start. So first of all, I have this table called student info. It contains a name, for example, Rick, Larry, Sam, etc. and the hours they spend in the day watching TV. So let's find multiple functions to do this. So for the sum, we need to find the total amount of hours spent watching TV. So normally people would do 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus and so on. But that will take a lot of time. So we can use the sum function. So let's do it. So every function in Excel starts with an equals to sign. So equals to sum. So we choose a sum option and number one, comma number two, we can either like this, comma 9, comma 8, comma 7 and so on, or we can just select the range. Yeah, we can select this range and then we click on enter. We get 53. That's super easy way. Now let's check the average. We need to find the average of all of these hours spent watching TV. So that will be the sum divided by the number. So there are two ways. Either we can do equals to the sum divided by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 9, which is 5.88 and so on with 9, or we can just use the average function. So equals to average, and then we select this range, enter, and we again get the same value. So now let's move on to maximum. So we want to find the maximum hours spent watching TV. So with that, we use the max function equals to max. We select this range, and when we click on enter, Excel will find out which is the maximum value. That's 9. Now we need to find for the minimum. But same thing, but instead we use the min function. Enter. 2. And number of students. We want to find how many students are in this table. So since it's a very small table, we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But what if we have hundreds of students and we don't know the exact value? So we can just use the count a function. So equals to count a. So this counts the alphabetical or text values. So if we select this, it will count the number of alphabetical values in this range. And another thing to note that it will not count any blank cells. 9. That was same the result which we got when we counted manually. So subscribe if you like this video and follow for more. Thank you.